Cat litter boxes can be a hassle to clean, but thankfully there are self-cleaning options available that can make the process much easier. However, not all self-cleaning litter boxes are created equal, so it's important to choose one that will work best for you and your furry friend. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best self-cleaning cat litter boxes you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Whisker presents the ultimate solution for your cat's litter needs, the Litter-Robot 3 Bundle. As number 5 on our list, this self-cleaning cat litter box includes all the necessary accessories, such as the litter trap mat, fence, ramp, waste drawer liners, carbon filters, and whisker care. Say goodbye to the tedious task of scooping litter, as Litter-Robot's patented sifting process automatically separates waste from clean litter. Additionally, its Wi-Fi-enabled feature allows you to monitor and control the litter box straight from the Whisker app. With notifications when the waste drawer is full, you can start a clean cycle remotely, reference usage statistics to monitor your cat's health, and much more. Reduce litter box odor and tracking with Litter-Robot's automatic clean cycle and carbon filter. The textured ramp surface, fence, and trap mat further reduce litter tracking by catching litter on the way out. This self-cleaning litter box of choice is available for $699, ensuring that your furry friend always has a clean place to go and you never have to scoop cat litter again. Looking for a hassle-free solution to keep your cat's litter box clean? Look no further than the Catlink self-cleaning cat litter box, the perfect addition to any cat owner's home. With its rolling sifting process, this self-cleaning litter box separates your cat's waste from the clean litter, reducing odor and the need for constant cleaning. The Catlink self-cleaning cat litter box is designed with your cat's safety in mind. Equipped with self-detection, infrared sensors, and anti-pinch features, you can trust that your furry friend will be protected at all times. With an optional rechargeable odor purifier and carbon filter, unpleasant smells are a thing of the past. Plus, Catlink's ramp helps to reduce falling litter, keeping your home cleaner. The self-cleaning litter box is suitable for cats weighing between 3.3 and 22 pounds and comes with a 13-liter ultra-large waste drawer, which only needs to be emptied every 21 days. Priced at $499, this self-cleaning litter box is a great investment in your pet's health and well-being. Smarty Pear introduces Leo's Loo 2, the ultimate solution for cat owners. As the third on our list, this self-cleaning litter box brings innovation to the table. You can now control your Leo's Loo 2 by simply saying Alexa or Hey Google, or by using our mobile smart home connected app, which lets you monitor and control the litter box from anywhere in the world. Leo's Loo 2 is easy to clean and maintain, with all major components disassembled for stress-free cleaning. Our triple-layer safety protection ensures your kitty's safety with state-of-the-art radar technology, 4 weight sensors, and an anti-pinch sensor. Plus, the waste drawer is 58% larger and includes a lid for easy disposal. Leo's Loo 2 comes in 4 fun colors, has multicolor internal ambient LED lighting, and displays weight and activity data on screen during use. With its whisper quiet motor and modern design, Leo's Loo 2 is a giant step forward for catkind. Get yours today for $649 and give your fur baby the best litter box experience. Presenting the Hillpig self-cleaning cat litter box, ranked at number 2 on our list. This litter box is a smart, simple, and safe way to manage your cat's waste. The Hillpig litter box comes equipped with an app control feature that allows you to manage your cat's litter box from anywhere, anytime, via the app. The automatic cleaning system ensures that the litter box is always clean by dumping the waste into the trash bag after the cat leaves the litter box. The built-in LED safe alerts and multiple secure sensors assure emergency braking is activated, protecting your cat from harm. The smart sensors in the litter box sync data to your phone, allowing you to monitor your cat's health status at all times. Our innovative self-clean design ensures that the litter box doesn't get smelly or sticky with poop, making it the perfect litter box for your feline friend. The drawer footboard collects the litter brought out by your cat, preventing more chaos in the living room. This litter box is extra large with a 60-liter space that fits multiple cats ranging from 3.3 to 28 pounds and can go up to 15 days without needing to be scooped for one cat. You can get the Hillpig self-cleaning cat litter box for just $559. Say hello to the Petkit Pura X self-cleaning cat litter box, the ultimate solution for cat owners tired of the daily litter box cleaning routine. As the #1 choice in automatic litter boxes, the Pura X Smart Litter Box not only scoops your cat's waste for you, but it also deodorizes automatically, allowing you to clean the litter box just once every 2 to 8 weeks. For pet owners concerned with safety, the Petkit Pura X self-cleaning cat litter box features an X-Secure security system that includes multiple sensors and an anti-trap infrared sensor. This guarantees your pet's safety while they're inside the litter box. Plus, the remote alert device notifies you via your cell phone in case of any emergencies. With the Petkit app, controlling your cat's litter box has never been easier. You can remotely control the litter box and monitor your cat's usage, which can be beneficial in detecting any urinary problems early on. And the 4 bottles of deodorizing replacement solution included in the package effectively remove any unpleasant odors in formaldehyde. At only $499, this self-cleaning litter box is a worthwhile investment in your sanity, time, and your cat's health. Get yours today. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.